Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna be going and getting an air filter for the Kenworth. There it is. Guys, here we have the air filter. Got it at our local Peterbilt dealership because the local one that I go to, they didn't have it in stock and this was closer to me. Also, I'm gonna be fixing the train horns. Has a 3-piece from Pacific train horn set, just a little basic one, but I mean they get pretty loud. I just had a problem that I had put just like a straight fitting like this right here, and this line, it would just curve really bad, and it just like was pinching the line. You can see it right there. So what I did, I got a 90-degree fitting, and that should solve my problem. Should probably go like that, and the line won't be as curved anymore. That should be good. They are very loud, guys, and they sound good. I don't want to crank them up all the way because I live in a neighborhood and have neighbors, and I don't want to piss anyone off on a Sunday. Now we're going to change the air filter. It has 3 clips on it. One right here, one right there, one on top, so 3. 1, 2, 3. Just unclip them. Air filter should come out. This one's really dirty. Here's a comparison. This one I've had for a year, and I blow it out every 2 days. So I try to change them out once every like 4 months. Like I buy like a brand new one. Put the new one back on. Always wipe inside here, because I mean they're just dust. So always wipe it out. Reach all the way in there, and then you put in the filter. That way it's nice and clean, and I mean your filter stays cleaner for at least a few more hours throughout the day. That's how you put it on. That 1 clip, 2 and 3 right there. Just push it back. Should clip in place. It's not gonna go anywhere. Nice and secure. That's how it's done, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.